Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where we bring you detailed, honest, and easy-to-understand car reviews for real car lovers. In today's video, we are reviewing a legendary name that has made a strong comeback in the modern era. The Acura Integra, finished in a stunning dark red color. This color gives the car a sporty yet premium feel and perfectly matches the Integra's youthful and performance-oriented character. The Acura Integra is designed for drivers who want fun, reliability, and modern technology in one stylish package. So let's get into the full review and explore what this car really offers. Asterisk at first glance. The Acura Integra in dark red looks sharp, aggressive, and very The dark red paint adds depth and richness to the design, making the car stand out both in daylight and under city lights. From the front, the Integra has a bold and sporty look. The signature Acura Diamond Pentagon grille sits confidently at the center, giving the car a strong identity. The slim LED headlights look sharp and modern, flowing nicely into the front fenders and giving the car an athletic expression. The front bumper is sculpted with sporty air intakes that enhance the aggressive appearance while also helping with airflow. Overall, the front of the Integra feels youthful, confident, and ready for spirited driving. Asterisk, moving towards the rear, the Acura Integra continues to impress with a clean and sporty design. The side profile shows smooth lines, a sloping roofline, and a lift-back style shape that adds practicality along with style. The alloy wheels complement the dark red exterior perfectly, adding to the car's sporty stance. At the back, the Integra features sharp LED taillights that give it a modern and recognizable look, especially at night. The rear bumper is simple yet sporty, and the overall rear design feels balanced and well-proportioned. The dark red color gives the back of the car a mature and premium touch, making it look more expensive than it actually is. Asterisk, stepping inside the Acura Integra, you are welcomed into a cabin that feels modern, sporty, and well put together. The interior design focuses on the driver, making everything easy to reach and use. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for both daily commuting and long highway drives. High-quality materials are used throughout the cabin, giving it a premium feel without being overly complicated. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, featuring a digital instrument cluster that provides clear driving information. The infotainment system is responsive and user-friendly, supporting smartphone connectivity, which is a big plus for daily use. The dark red exterior is subtly matched with interior accents, creating a sporty yet refined atmosphere inside the car. Rear seat space is decent for passengers, and the liftback design offers good cargo space, making the Integra practical as well as fun. Asterisk, when it comes to performance, the Acura Integra delivers a driving experience that is smooth, responsive, and enjoyable. The engine provides a good balance of power and efficiency, making the car feel quick without being overwhelming. Acceleration is smooth, and the car feels lively, especially during city driving and highway overtakes. The steering is precise and gives good feedback, which makes driving more engaging. The suspension is tuned to handle corners confidently while still offering a comfortable ride for everyday use. Whether you are driving casually or pushing the car a bit harder on open roads, the Integra feels composed and enjoyable. Asterisk, talking about pricing. The Acura Integra is positioned as a premium compact car that offers great value for money. The price depends on the variant and features, but it remains competitive in its segment. What makes the Integra stand out is the combination of performance, reliability, modern technology, and brand reputation. It is a great option for buyers who want something sporty and premium without stepping into very high price ranges. Asterisk. My suggestion for anyone considering the Acura Integra in dark red is simple. If you are looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive car that is practical enough for daily life and still offers a premium feel, this car is definitely worth considering. The dark red color adds personality and sportiness, making it perfect for drivers who want to stand out without being too flashy. It is ideal for young professionals, enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys driving. Asterisk, to wrap up today's review. The Acura Integra in dark red successfully combines sporty design, a comfortable and modern interior, enjoyable performance, and good value for money. It respects the Integra legacy while offering features and refinement suited for today's drivers. If you enjoyed this detailed review, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Car Updated, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting car review.